But that was like a lunchbox in these carrots. Not actually, no. My next favorite piece. Cucumber mixed with watermelon. Like a combo.